So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-length hair. Looks like the stylist is going to be doing a bob haircut transformation for this one. Wow, absolutely stunning makeover. So she ended up getting a bob haircut complete with bangs. Absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video is going to feature 16 long to short hair transformations. Loving this pixie style. She went from long waistline hair to this gorgeous pixie cut. And then we have someone who has hair around mid-length. Beautiful ginger color. And it looks like she decided to shake things up with some copper, bangs, and a beautiful shoulder length style. And then we have a pixie haircut transformation, gorgeous copper color as well. Oh wow, so she ended up getting more of like a pixie undercut. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we have a bob haircut transformation. Followed by another bob. Very chic and stylish, sophisticated bob. Absolutely love it. And then we do have another pixie. This one features bangs in the front. More of that classic Peter Pan style pixie. Followed by someone who has long red hair. It looks like she has decided to get a pixie haircut. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. She definitely has a lot of texture that the stylist created within the cut. Beautiful transformation. Next up, we have this bob haircut makeover. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the tousled look that the stylist created. Beautiful bangs. Wow, and another pixie cut. Gorgeous ginger color. Then we have another pixie hair transformation. Ooh, she also decided to dye the hair blonde. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful copper pixie haircut, followed by a pixie undercut style. Oh, beautiful blonde pixie haircut, complete with bangs. Gorgeous. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, this video next.